Thankfully, we had a brush with a tornado right here locally yesterday. We did have a couple tornado warnings, but never confirmed. No touchdowns were reported. And today the weather is much quieter as that storm system finally pulls out of central Texas. Viper radar is showing almost an entirely clear picture overhead. The only small activity we do have is out in the eastern fringes of Lee County, out east of Highway 77 near Giddings. We do have a couple little showers popping up, but notice the lightning strike counter there on Viper radar is the big goose egg. So these are just showers as opposed to thunderstorms. Boy, we've had some heavy thunderstorms though over the past week. These are some rainfall totals from neighborhoods around the area over the past week. Some of them from LCRA, some of them from airports around the area. Camp Mabry, 3.5 inches right here in the middle of town over the past 7 days. You can pick out where you are, and chances are you got between 3 and 5 inches, about 4.5 there in Burnett. Look at San Saba, nearly 6 inches of rain. And remember, the drought conditions are worst in the hill country, so it's great news that that's where some of our highest rainfall totals have been. Now, we did have a few couple stray showers drifting through the area overnight. You can see there on the timeline, 4 or 5 a.m. All that rain kind of exited the area. Now we just have some gray clouds in our northern counties right now. Most of us under partly to mostly cloudy skies. Now, these are all moving north to south because we're on the back end of that low pressure system. Look at that big spin up there. The reason we had a brush with a tornado, by the way, this low pressure system has so much spin to it that even though the atmosphere wasn't really conducive for tornadoes, they just really started to spin up out of nowhere yesterday. So now that severe weather threat is gone. It is off to our east, as is most of the rainfall. But this low pressure system is still close enough to give us a few slight rain chances, not only today, but really through the weekend, believe it or not. So your look ahead through the weekend shows that low just stalling out east of Houston. We can expect some warm sunshine mixed with a few clouds each day, but a slight chance of an afternoon and evening thunderstorm that's going to stick around not only today, tomorrow, the next day, but also Saturday and Sunday as well. So do keep that in mind for your outdoor plans. Although, remember, most of us will stay dry because these chances are pretty slim. So your clouds and radar forecast through the afternoon. Keep your eye up there on the timeline. Notice maybe a few stray showers in our eastern counties, but really most of us going to stay dry under a mix of clouds and sun. Beyond 5 p.m. tonight, looks like those clouds even will start to pull off toward the east, and the rain chances tonight are really too slim to mention. So your weather headlines, let's sum all that up. More sunshine today than what we've seen the past couple of days. Still a slight chance of an afternoon storm, but most of us will be dry, and those rain chances linger through Sunday, although they will stay very slim each day. So today we may hit 87 degrees depending on how much sunshine we actually get in here. Slim chance of a shower or storm, mainly east of I-35. Tonight, not putting a rain chance in the forecast, partly cloudy skies, 66. That's a little bit cooler than we've been thanks to that northerly breeze. So your rain chances remain small, but they actually increase very slightly on Thursday and Friday, rather. Rain chances about 20% this weekend. Overall, just hot and dry, though. Saturday through Tuesday, temperatures in the low 90s this weekend. And how about the mid to upper 90s on Monday afternoon? Kate?